So don't mind our dirty kitchen. We are still in the middle of packing, so it's a little bit of a wreck. But we have somebody coming with money to get the Mach. We have had so many people say that they're coming with money, they have cash, and all the deals have gone through. So I'm pretty heartbroken, but I know that this is the way that it needs to be. And Bryan and I talked about that we'll get another Mach in the future. This time we're getting the Mach, like the Mach that I grew up with as a kid. My dad's white one, so I'll show you guys that and kind of go in the story on that once ours is gone. I'm probably crying anyway. But really, Bryan said that we will try to find my very first Mustang. So I don't even want to go into that because I'm just going to start crying because I want that car back more than anything I've ever wanted in my life. So I'd really trade in Bryan to get that car back.
She's not lying.
I literally cry about it every time we talk about it. So I'm not going to go super in depth. I'll just show you photos. I had a 3-valve about when I was 20, worked through college to have it, and I miss it all the time. You're probably wondering why I got rid of it. I got rid of it because I really wanted a supercharged car, and my dad told me that the 3-valve was not the car to supercharge. He said, although we could do it, he was like, I know that you're wanting to be serious and have a fast car. He was like, you can supercharge a 3-valve, but he's like, you're gonna outgrow it. So I bought the CTSV and sold the CTSV to get my 18. And I really wish I had kept the 3-valve. Hey guys, so this is future me editing, and I wanted to chime in while I was listening to all this about my 3-valve. Ironically, after 4 years of not having the car anymore, the Mach 1 was sold for about 6 hours, and my 3-valve was listed online. I have not been able to find the car, and it is miraculously for sale. So I don't know if that's a sign or what, but it's for sale, and I wanted to tell you that. So we'll see. Next video might be getting my first Mustang back. The money wasn't worth it. I didn't know I'd be this heartbroken years later.
You don't know you missed something until it's gone.
Yeah. So the guy's gonna be here in a couple minutes, and we'll kind of, I don't know, probably not show you that, but I guess show you it driving away. So I guess my logic with buying it is one, I love Mach 1s, and 2, I really had the void for a stick car like to have all the time. But I guess my thought is once Bryan's car is back together, we're gonna have a fun stick car anyway, so it'll fill the void. And then we have a lot of really fun projects coming up that we haven't really talked to you guys about yet. So once the SN's finally getting traction, which it hasn't seen in a long time. So once that gets put together, we have a really cool idea coming up. So hope you guys enjoy our goofiness. And you guys can think of our weird ideas. Come here. See?
Nope, he's gone.
Yep. So think of our cool stuff that we have going on, and hopefully one day get my dad's Mach 1 back. That one hurts. That one really hurts.
Do you have something to say, Kat?
Yeah, what do you have to say, Brembo? What do you have to say? This is our cat, Brembo, if you haven't ever seen him. Oh, okay. That'll be nice. Oh, you know you're on camera, don't you?
He's showing off for a crowd today.
Yeah, you're so sweet today. But yeah, that's a little bit about me. I feel like a lot of people ask to talk about myself and things like that more, and I'm usually super emotional when I'm at the track because I'm getting goals and happy with the car, so I just feel like there's my emotion. But I guess I haven't really ever talked about my past and Mustangs and why I'm so involved with them. But I had a 3-valve when I was 20, kept it through college, and then
I heard a car door, so
Oh,
they're
no.
probably here.
Oh no.
All right,
Oh no.
We'll come back.
Okay. We'll come back.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
No.
Yes.
What just happened?
We sold them all.
Are you gonna cry?
I wasn't until I saw it leave, and now I'm a little sad.
Mm-hmm. Well, we'll get Tanya back first.
Oh, don't even say its name.
Tanya's Joe's 3-valve. We'll get her back first. and then we'll get another Mach. I promise.
I know. I know. I hate having to be an adult.
I know. Not really being an adult when we're using the money to spend on another car.
Well, I hate you. Well, yeah, so we are low-key trying to adult. I mean, I am still laid off and I haven't gotten any unemployment yet because everything in Michigan's backed up. So that was kind of the push to try to sell it too. So we have some sort of income for a while. So hopefully when I'm back to work and we figure out what's going on with unemployment, I'll have something, we'll have money to spend on the trans. So we need the trans and a clutch. I forgot to tell you guys that we did get the bell housing, so at least we have
one component of driveline.
Yeah, we're getting there. I mean,
piece by piece.
Yeah, we made more progress than we have in a while. So this is selling the Mach, but on better news, we have the engine back. So I'm going to show you guys that, and then we're going to go into SN stuff. So starting with SN content, new Edge SN, ending with SN content. So try to stay happy. No sad here.
No sad here.
Only crying this year is going to be when I have AIDS, which will hopefully be very quick. We'll see.
All
right, ready?
Ready.
So I real quickly just wanted to kind of show you some of the updates of the engine, and it is finally complete. If you're looking at this wondering why the heck it looks so different, it does have an MFP crank support on it and a 10-rib pulley. So I'll go in more depth once the car is back together on what we did a little differently putting it back together, but just as a heads up, we are going 10-rib.
Sure.
Okay, so what are we cutting?
Those.
Okay.
Because I think if we cut those, it may give us enough clearance that we can put the dash in.
We gotta cut all three.
Hell yeah, sister.
Does this have to get cut too? Are you thinking?
Hopefully not.
Okay.
But we will find out.
Okay.
So, damn, look at all that. Look up under there. Look at all that nature.
Ew. That's gross.
That's the intake for the cabin air. But that'll all get changed around with the new dash.
Hopefully, because that's grody.
We need to start employing the help of our friends who weld. I'm gonna get you safety glasses.
I have my own glasses on.
Those ain't safety rated.
Are your glasses safety rated?
No, but I got some too.
Okay.
Okay. You want yellows?
Of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Safety first.
Safety first.
It's not like we do anything else right here, so.
Hey! Yeah. So, in case this doesn't work, what have you considered as a plan B?
Well, A. Failure's not an option.
Okay, I know.
But if it doesn't work, then we'll probably just go full on David Van Voris race car and get a carbon dash. And we'll cage it and we'll put one bar across the front.
Yeah.
And we'll zip tie the cluster to it.
Then what's the point of the carbon dash?
I haven't gotten that far yet.
Okay.
But when I figure it out, which I won't, because plan B is not an option, I'll let you know.
If you guys could hear my eye roll right now, you...
It's over 9,000.
No, it would shatter your computers and phones.
These are where the ducts go for
Defrost, which you want to keep.
side vents, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sure that's where those go.
Okay.
It's all inside.
Okay.
So I was going to trim those to cut this back. But now, if I feel through here, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is the underside of the inside of this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So now I'm curious if it would make more sense to basically trim here, cut this out, it's not really used for anything,
Mm-hmm.
and be able to make more space for the AC and shit for that dash.
I mean, if this is not structural and we don't need it.
So,
How smart of you.
yeah, I didn't really feel like cutting all the way through
Okay.
because it was a pain in the ass. So I figured at least if I can trim these and bend these out of the way,
Right.
and at least see how it's going to fit. Some more.
Interesting. Okay.
I mean, it's a lot better than it was a second ago. If you push it, like, push it, where's it at? Right there?
It won't stay. That covers the bin.
Right there?
Yeah.
This is actually, like,
Correct.
more similar to how it's going to sit.
Okay.
Somehow.
You want me to hold it and you look?
But I mean, that puts everything that I just trimmed is up against it. Is up against the edge again. So this isn't the same across. Look at it. It's completely different on both sides.
Oh, I thought you meant symmetrical left and right, not in and out.
Yeah, as soon as we set this in, no matter what, it's going to be even side to side this way. You're shaving it this way.
Yeah, that's I didn't understand that.
Yes.
I thought you meant left and right,
No.
like it's symmetrically this way.
No, this way.
Oh.
Sorry, this way.
Yeah. Okay, I didn't understand
So
that.
for this side to go in, so it's you know,
So what would you?
that's what I'm trying to determine is what the better. I don't want to cut into the ducts, and those studs that I trimmed for are the studs that attach to the dash frame. So I feel like I need to have those there for when the dash frame goes in, so it can.
Well, I understand that, and if I were, if
So I think
personally, I think that you should get rid of the ducts on that side. Personally, because the way that the whole thing is gonna fit back in, he's gonna do like it's gonna be harder to keep cutting the car and cutting the car and cutting the car. You're gonna have to go out to the dash. It's easier to just cut one side. Who's gonna be sitting on that side anyway? Me. So as long as you have AC, why does it matter? I'm always cold anyway. I know it sucks to plan it like that, but if it's easier to take rid of the thing that we can easily take out, it's easier to take out of the dash than it is to keep taking out of the car. At some point, you're not going to have any car left. You're going to have to do it out of the dash.
Yeah, I'll probably wait until that point to cut the dash. And the only reason why I say that is because, yeah, I can get rid of that, but you got to remember, there's not only is there the dash frame that needs to go in behind this, there's also the whole heater box that needs to go in under it too. So I might as well just start making it fit for this, because this thing, I mean, This is gonna have to go in and come out, go in and come out. I would, honest to God, if I had to put a guess at it, no less than 200 times to get this thing fixed.
And on that bombshell, Bryan and I continue to argue about the car because he doesn't always explain to me what he wants to do. He just kind of does it and then hopes that I know what he's doing. So typical married stuff, right? So we are going to be working on my car this weekend and having some fresh S550 videos coming up. So I hope you guys enjoy the content that's been coming out. We appreciate it and we love doing it. So we hope you enjoy our videos and hope you guys are staying safe with quarantine.